Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a fresh income tax return. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes income statements such as Form W-2 from employers or Form 1099 for other income sources. Also, collect records for any deductions or credits you might claim, like student loan interest or medical expenses. Having your Social Security number and previous tax details ready will streamline the process significantly. Next, decide how you want to file your return. You can choose to e-file using tax software, which is often the quickest and most accurate method, or you can opt for a traditional paper return. For more complex financial situations, or if you prefer expert assistance, consider consulting a qualified tax professional. E-filing typically results in faster refunds, often within 3 weeks. Now it's time to complete your tax return. Carefully enter all your income details, including wages, interest, and any dividends received. Be sure to claim all eligible deductions and credits, as these can significantly reduce your taxable income and potentially increase your refund. Always double-check every entry for accuracy before proceeding to ensure there are no mistakes. Finally, thoroughly review your completed tax return one last time. Check for any missed income, incorrect deductions, or mathematical errors. If filing a paper return, remember to sign and date it. For e-filing, follow the electronic signature prompts. Submit your return by the deadline, which is usually April 15th, to avoid any late filing penalties. Good luck.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.